Last night, I bought another CRONOS meme coin. Stick around to the end of this video. I'm going to talk to you guys about what that coin is, why I pulled the trigger, and let you guys know, just because I own a particular token does not mean that that is the one, doesn't mean that it's not the one, right? I'm just doing my own due diligence, my own research every single day. What we all have to understand about memes, especially the CRONOS memes, is that they are very high risk. We'll talk about the CRO coin price action today, a little bit of an update as, I'm doing a little car trip today with my wife. Just want to give you guys a quick update on CRONOS and kind of what's going on, where my thoughts are at, and a recent move that I made. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Let's get into this. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. So we saw CRO coin come down a little bit to the lower half of 11 cents recently. And it is very simply because, my friends, there is a total crypto lull right now. There are some meme coins out there. I did a meme coin video earlier talking about my top 5 meme coin picks. Brett, just crossed $1 billion market cap on base. There's other ones that are still moving up as well. So it's not like there's nothing moving, but your big cap tokens are relatively stuck right now. And CRONOS coin is a big cap token. It's a token that I believe can go way up in this bull market. We've talked about $1 CRO, we've talked about a $2 to $5 CRO, which I think is all on the table in this bull market. But like I explained to you guys many times, these meme coin manias are going to remain to be important. So I've got my eye on it because you want more people getting into this space, using these blockchains, right? The CRONOS blockchain, doing transactions on the network, using the CRO coins as the utility token. So CRO with knife seems like it wants to come up right now. This is the most recent explosive meme that kind of triggered this meme coin mania. You have the Mystery Mary token, which has been trending #1 on CRONOS for a while now. And there's some other ones. I've personally got some mouse in the pasta right now. The two that I was holding for the longest time is mouse in the pasta and Mary token. And look, CRO with knife, right? That's super strong. There's so many others out there, guys, that I'm just not even mentioning right now. But so many that came down a little bit. We had a little mania. There was an extreme cool off. There was some profit taking, which always happens in meme coins, guys. You have to expect that. There's always going to be profit taking in these memes, right? So if you see people making 5x's, 10x's, the people that make 5x's and 10x's and don't take profit, that's setting yourself for a losing position. You hold it all the way back down to your initial buy-in and even lower, you're going to be a little bit frustrated, and then you're going to make worse moves, and it's going to start to compound. Again, not financial advice, just some ideas to kind of think about. But so two that I'm holding right now, I'm just kind of holding pretty strong, waiting for that second leg up. There's no doubt that a crypto.com exchange listing is a catalyst for more pumps. If you just go back and look at the CRO with knife chart, and you see what happened to CRO with knife when it got listed on crypto.com, it was very explosive. That move for CRO with knife shows you how strong a crypto.com exchange listing can be for a crypto.com meme token like CRO with knife. And a lot of people have been waiting for Mary to get listed. I still think that it could and should get listed at some point, but it's hard to predict when. So we're not going to try to predict when, but we can predict that when it happens, just like happened with CRO with knife, it could trigger a greater meme coin rally in the CRONOS ecosystem, because when CRO with knife got listed, it caused a parabolic explosion for not just CRO with knife, a lot of the memes on CRONOS, because there's more profit opportunities to come around. People like to take profit, shuffle it into some other plays, and that's just kind of, I think, how a lot of people are playing this. It's kind of how I play it, just to kind of give you guys a look into my mind. But there is a new token that I bought last night, and I will announce exactly what it is. And again, just because I buy this or didn't buy it, right, doesn't mean anything. You got to do your own due diligence. But the token that I bought is the push token. Yes, I pushed the button. Now, there are two main reasons for this move, right? First up, the leader of this token, Elder Carl, he seems to be looked up to by folks in the space. Even some of the leading project developers like Mary, like the leaders of CRO with knife, seem to look to go into his Twitter spaces and look to him as a leader, right? And I see a lot of people looking at the push the button community and the leader of that community as a key leader in this space, which was just interesting. I've just been watching this over the last month or two, kind of observing it. Didn't want to pull the trigger on this, watch the push button token come down. Now, yesterday it got a little bit of a pump. Actually, it pumped 100%, and it's still way down from its highs. And, guys, reason number 2, I ended up pulling this trigger. And yeah, I did buy it on the way up a little bit, right? But it's still a very low market cap. The overall meme coin markets are still very low. It's still way below its previous high for the push the button token. The second reason that I bought this token is because that community is very strong. Originally, why I was in the Croaky token, and I made a little bit of money on Croaky for a bit, and it's cooled off quite a bit. So, got to protect yourself, guys, right? Protect yourself from the downside. That's not to say panic sell, but if you have an opportunity to take profit, you got to do so, right? As long as you feel comfortable, you've done your own research. But the reason I got into a coin like Croaky at one point, and I might get back into that token at some point, that community is still very strong, it seems, is because the community was so loud and they caught my attention. Well, the push the button token, that community has been so loud. I've got other friends that I've gotten into crypto that are in the CRONOS ecosystem looking at this as well, and they keep saying to me, man, this push the button community is so loud. Now, those are 2 key reasons. 1, the leadership's good. 2, the community is very active and loud. And they look to him as kind of this. They look at the leader of this project as kind of a leader in the CRONOS ecosystem, just the community, CRONOS community as a whole, it seems. So, guys, on that note, this is a very low cap meme. It's got relatively low liquidity, so there's a tremendous amount of risks with these. Hopefully, there is a CRONOS meme coin ecosystem explosion that comes about, but there are no guarantees. So, what we have to do is keep our head on a swivel, do our own research. Don't invest more than we're willing to lose. Continue with a mindset of positivity. And I don't mean positivity thinking, everything's just going to go to the moon. I mean positivity and, don't FUD other people's bags. Be a respectable community member. And I think we're seeing a good move of that from all the communities right now. Really was in a great Twitter space the other day where there was a lot more, cordial interaction between the Crow fam. And you get a lot of negativity in the CRONOS ecosystem, simply in my opinion, because it is so small. The entire meme coin market cap for CRONOS memes are under $1 billion market cap. There's only 87 or 86 meme tokens in CRONOS overall, and so this is brand new. This is CRONOS' first bull run, but it is undeniable that if CRONOS' ecosystem can continue to thrive, there's going to be more users coming to this ecosystem, more utility for the CRONOS Crow coin, and that will do wonderful for the Crow coin holders in the end, guys. I still believe that dollar. I do believe that $2 to $5 prediction for CRO. But I want to give you guys a little bit of an update on what's going on there. Guys, that is all I got in this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, don't forget to DCA, HODL, do your own research, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. More videos later today, as always. Check them out, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.